So today we're going to look at how to download VLC and install it on your Mac. First off, you're going to want to open up your browser and you want to type in VLC. So as you see here, video, type in VLC, you're going to come to, on Google, at least you're going to see the official download of the VLC media player at videolan.org, which is right here. As you can see the URL up there. And we're just going to want to download the one for Mac. And obviously, because we're my particular Mac is an M1 Mac, we're going to click Apple Silicon and we're going to download that. After a few seconds it will start to download. So as you can see now it's downloading. So now it's downloaded, you can see down here in our download section you see vlc.dmg. All we're going to do is click that and it's as simple as dragging and dropping into this folder. And you see it's moving across there nicely. Just give that a couple of seconds. And now we can just close all this down. And now if we go into our launchpad, you'll be able to see VLC. Click that. Just click open. And there we are. Thanks for watching and subscribe.